friends! Today we're going to go over the letter sounds that we've already learned and learn a new one today. Ooh, are you ready? I know I am. Let's get started. Allie, alligator. Ah, ah, ah. Katina, cat. Dee dee, deer. D, d, d. Gordo, gorilla. G, g, g. Honey, horse. Innie, inchworm. Eh, eh, eh. Missy, mouse. Nigel, night owl. Ollie, octopus. Ah. Sammy, snake. Timothy, tiger. And today we're going to learn about this letter right here. Do you know what that letter is? It's letter F. And we're going to read the book My F Book and meet little F. Oh, who is she? She's a little fire girl. Wow. So we're going to read all about little F and meet a new zoo friend that makes the F sound. And the F sound is, watch my mouth as I make the F sound. It goes like this. Can you do it? So my lips are pretty close together and I'm blowing air out in between them. Yeah, just like that. Let's practice it while we read our story. Let's find out about the world of little F. Is this where I start reading my story? No. Is this where I start reading my story? No, that's the title page. Is this where I start reading my story? Yes. Little F had a box. It was a brown box. She said, I will fill my box. Little F found a fishing pole. What does a fishing pole start with? Yeah, it starts with fishing pole. Starts with her favorite sound. We already found our zoo friend. She caught 4 fish, and one of those 4 fish was our friend Francie Fish, and she likes to swim through the water and say, and she swims through the water like this. So you put one hand like that, you put your other hand on top so your thumbs are sticking out, and you move your thumbs back and forth like this. She's swimming. When you hear a word that starts with the sound, make your hands swim. Guess where she put the 4 fish? Are your hands swimming from hearing the 4 fish? Yeah, she put them in her box. Then she caught 5 fat frogs. Oh my goodness. Did you hear all those words that start with F? I did. 5 fat frogs. Whoa, so many words. In you go, she said. Little F found fir trees. She put a fir tree into her box. I'll leave the other fir trees in the forest, she said. Did you hear some more words that start with F? Yeah, fir starts with F, and so does forest. Good listening, boys and girls. Then she found a fox. I will put this fox into my box, said little F. What funny things I have in my box. What did little F find that she put in her box that starts with the F sound? Yes, she found a fox. Fox. Little F came to a fence. She climbed over the fence. What did she climb over that starts with F? Yeah, a fence. Fence starts with she found a field of flowers. Are your hands swimming right now? They should be. Field and flowers start with. She filled her box with flowers. More swimming hands I see. Little F saw a farmhouse. A farmer ran out of the farmhouse. What does farmhouse start with? Fire! Fire! He cried. Help! Oh no! What does fire start with? Yeah, fire starts with. I wonder what little F is going to do. Fire! Fire! Cried little F. Away she ran, back through the field of flowers, over the fence, through the fir forest, and to the... Where do you think she's going to go? Fire station! Fire! Fire! She cried. She rang the fire alarm. Firemen jumped on the fire engines. Little F jumped on one too. What jumped on the fire engines that starts with? Yeah, firemen. The firemen gave little F a hat, fire hose, boots, and a coat. The fire engines went fast. What did the fire engines do? Yeah, they went fast. What does fast start with? Yeah, it starts with. The firemen put out the fire. Thank you, said the farmer. Thank little F, said the fireman. She is our friend. Then they took little F back to the fire station. Little F, the fox, played together. What fun they had. She found a fishing pole, 4 fish, 5 fat frogs, flowers, and a fir tree. They all start with. More words with little F. Repeat after me. Feet, flute, fan, fork, football, flashlight, flag, fly, fingers. Very good. Please make sure you go onto Seesaw and you do the activities that go with this. So you're going to be writing the sound, the letter F, and then you're going to be practicing writing some words with the sound in it. And finally, you're going to be in your ABC book drawing a picture that starts with the sound. Before we go though, who is this? Francie Fish. And Francie Fish says, and swims through the water. Great listening, boys and girls. See you soon.